eqinisweni sinto eyodwa amaXhosa amahahabe sabenguni sisonke kubalekile ukuthi we unite isikhathi sokuhlangana lesi ukuthi sinqobe lo sathane okwenzeka ezweni lethu la kwavuleleka khona abantu bokuhamba ukuthi bahlala kuleli zwe ongemthetho sebabekana namakhosi ke manje into engiyifunayo ukuthi thina cha siwuZulu sizolekalela sabo nomfowethu lapha umfokandabandaba ukuthi seziqiniseko sokuthi ibutho lakwaZulu elitshalwe ingonyama la lizokwenza iqiniseko sokuthi inkosi yaseNigeria ebekwe la ingamanyala ayiphindele kwela kubo.
Ngokunina njengoba lento yenzeka yenzeka eEastern Cape yenzeka apha kuGombo kodwa ke njenina nisuka kwaZulu nithatha lento ezimhlawumbi isithuko esikhulu kakhulu apha ezweni laseNingizimu Afrika eMzantsi Afrika siyaqabuka ukuthi oGomba amakhosi asendulo ukuthi angayivuma kanjani ukuthi the history will judge us wrong when we allow such a mistake to happen in our own land, in our wash. We are the people that's supposed to be in charge of the country and the constitution of this country. The elder people have failed. Our government have failed. The political organization that liberated this country has failed. Now it's our time for us as black people to unite and bring back our land. Esithi abahambe bonke esipika khulukazi ama Nigeria siyezekoli ziyakhala manje.